Oh, I was going to tell you before I forget, I got something trapped in here in the wrist.
Okay.
Like
From
either
riding or
no,
just...
I think it's from doing muscle work on the
Okay.
plants. It feels just like in here, it feels like a diffuse paresthesia.
Okay. Just
Not
on
anything
top?
like pain. Yeah, I can just feel it.
Okay.
It's either here. I don't think it's not my neck, even though I have
Your-
those discs.
Your occipit's off those.
Yeah, oxy's off. I'm down here in the ribs. It's a little bit rotated. It's like this left rib.
Yeah, that's yeah. No, he's busy doing his.
Occiput lift. Que bueno. Yes.
Oh, that
Occiput,
level
very
is-
powerful adjustment. Lots of proprioceptors up there. See, because like my lower, like C6, 7, 5, where I expect this to kind of
Yeah.
come from, but I expect to be more in a finger. It's kind of,
Yeah, it's kind of.
it's
weird.
kind of over here. I can just feel it. You know, and I have all my brokens, torns,
Yep.
separateds.